Iceland, a land of ice and fire, sits atop a geological hotspot where volcanic eruptions and seismic activity shape its rugged landscape. From the infamous Eyjafjallajökull eruption to the otherworldly beauty of lava fields and geysers, this island nation holds secrets forged by the Earth's restless power. Join us as we explore the fiery depths and seismic wonders that make Iceland a natural marvel like no other. A land of stark contrasts, where fire and ice coexist in a delicate balance. Towering glaciers glint in the sunlight, their icy surfaces reflecting the brilliance of the sun. Molten lava bursts from the earth, a fiery display of nature's raw power and energy. It is a place of dramatic beauty, shaped by powerful forces deep within our planet, where every landscape tells a story of creation and destruction. Iceland is a geological marvel, a testament to the Earth's raw power and the dynamic processes that shape our world. Iceland sits atop the Mid-Atlantic Ridge, a massive underwater mountain range that stretches across the ocean floor. This ridge marks the boundary between two tectonic plates, the North American plate and the Eurasian plate, a line of immense geological significance. These plates are constantly moving apart, pulling Iceland in two different directions, creating a unique geological environment. This geological tug-of-war creates intense volcanic and seismic activity, making Iceland one of the most geologically active places on Earth. Magma, molten rock from deep within the Earth, rises up through the cracks and fissures, a process that has been ongoing for millions of years. This magma erupts onto the surface, creating Iceland's iconic volcanoes, which are both a source of awe and a reminder of the planet's inner workings. Iceland is a young country, geologically speaking, with landscapes that are constantly evolving. It is still being formed by volcanic eruptions, each one adding a new chapter to the island's geological history. These eruptions have created new land, adding to Iceland's ever-changing landscape, a testament to the relentless forces of nature at work. The Mid-Atlantic Ridge is a vast underwater mountain range, one of the most significant geological features on our planet. It stretches for thousands of kilometers beneath the Atlantic Ocean, forming a continuous chain that runs from the Arctic Ocean in the north to the Southern Ocean in the south. This ridge marks the boundary between the North American and Eurasian tectonic plates, as well as the South American and African plates. These plates are moving apart, slowly but surely, driven by forces deep within the Earth. They move at a rate of about 2.5 centimeters per year, which is roughly the same rate at which your fingernails grow. This may seem slow, but over millions of years, it has caused continents to drift apart, reshaping the Earth's surface dramatically. As the plates move apart, magma rises from the Earth's mantle to fill the gap, creating new geological formations. This magma cools and solidifies, creating new oceanic crust, a process that continuously renews the ocean floor. This process is called seafloor spreading, and it plays a crucial role in the theory of plate tectonics. Iceland is one of the few places on Earth where the Mid-Atlantic Ridge rises above sea level, making it a unique geological wonder. This makes Iceland a unique natural laboratory for studying plate tectonics and volcanic activity, offering invaluable insights into the dynamic processes that shape our planet. Iceland has a long and fiery history, deeply intertwined with its volcanic activity. The island, located on the Mid-Atlantic Ridge, is one of the most volcanically active places on Earth. This unique geological setting has given rise to numerous volcanoes, each with its own story and impact on the land and its people. The island is dotted with volcanoes, some active, some dormant. These towering giants are not just natural wonders, they are also a testament to the dynamic forces shaping our planet. From the ancient shield volcanoes to the more recent stratovolcanoes, each has contributed to the island's rugged beauty and geological diversity. These volcanoes have shaped Iceland's landscape and influenced its history. The lava fields, volcanic craters, and geothermal areas are all products of past eruptions. They have created a unique environment that supports a variety of ecosystems and has become a major attraction for tourists and scientists alike. One of the most famous eruptions in Icelandic history was the Laki eruption of 1783 to 1784. This catastrophic event lasted for 8 months, releasing vast amounts of lava and ash. The eruption was so powerful that it altered the climate and had far-reaching effects beyond Iceland's shores. This massive eruption released huge amounts of lava and poisonous gases into the atmosphere. The lava flows covered an area of over 500 square kilometers, while the gases, including sulfur dioxide, created a toxic haze that spread across Europe. The Laki eruption had devastating consequences for Iceland and beyond. The immediate aftermath saw the destruction of farmland and the loss of livestock, leading to a severe famine that claimed the lives of a significant portion of the Icelandic population. The poisonous gases caused widespread crop failures and livestock deaths in Iceland. The toxic cloud that spread across Europe led to respiratory problems and other health issues, highlighting the far-reaching impact of volcanic eruptions. The eruption also affected weather patterns across Europe, leading to a colder winter and widespread hardship. The haze famine caused by the volcanic gases resulted in crop failures and food shortages, exacerbating the suffering of people already struggling with the harsh conditions. Another notable eruption was the Eyjafjallajökull eruption of 2010. This eruption, while smaller in scale compared to Laki, captured global attention due to its significant impact on air travel and the economy. Although smaller in scale than the Laki eruption, Eyjafjallajökull caused significant disruption to air travel. The ash cloud produced by the eruption led to the cancellation of thousands of flights, stranding millions of passengers and causing economic losses estimated in the billions of dollars. The eruption spewed ash high into the atmosphere, grounding flights across Europe. The fine volcanic ash posed a serious threat to aircraft engines, leading to unprecedented airspace closures and highlighting the vulnerability of modern infrastructure to natural events. This eruption highlighted the global impact that even relatively small volcanic eruptions can have. It served as a stark reminder of the power of nature and the interconnectedness of our world, where an event in a remote part of Iceland can ripple across the globe, affecting millions of lives. Volcanic eruptions can have both immediate and long-term impacts on the environment and human life. The immediate impacts include ashfall, lava flows, and the release of poisonous gases. Ashfall can blanket the landscape, disrupting transportation, agriculture, and human health. Lava flows, while slow-moving, can destroy everything in their path. Poisonous gases can cause respiratory problems and acid rain. In the long term, volcanic eruptions can enrich the soil, creating fertile land for agriculture. Geothermal energy, a renewable energy source, can be harnessed from volcanic areas. Volcanic landscapes also attract tourists, boosting local economies. However, volcanic eruptions also pose significant risks. Understanding these risks and implementing effective monitoring and mitigation strategies are crucial for living safely in volcanically active areas. Section 5. Living with volcanoes. Monitoring and early warning systems. Living in the shadow of volcanoes requires constant vigilance and preparedness. Iceland has developed sophisticated monitoring and early warning systems to mitigate the risks posed by volcanic eruptions. Scientists closely monitor Iceland's volcanoes for signs of unrest, such as increased seismic activity, ground deformation, and gas emissions. They use a variety of instruments, including seismometers, GPS stations, and gas sensors. If a volcano shows signs of imminent eruption, authorities can issue timely warnings to communities at risk. This allows for evacuations, flight cancellations, and other measures to protect life and property. Section 6. Geothermal energy, harnessing the Earth's heat. Iceland's volcanic activity provides a unique opportunity to harness the Earth's heat for energy. Geothermal energy is a renewable energy source that taps into the heat generated by the Earth's core. Iceland has several geothermal power plants that generate electricity and provide hot water for heating and other uses. These power plants utilize the hot water and steam from deep underground reservoirs heated by volcanic activity. Geothermal energy has significantly reduced Iceland's reliance on fossil fuels, contributing to a cleaner and more sustainable energy future. Section 7. The Northern Lights, a celestial spectacle. Iceland's location near the Arctic Circle offers a unique opportunity to witness the mesmerizing display of the Northern Lights, also known as the Aurora Borealis. This celestial spectacle is caused by charged particles from the sun interacting with the Earth's atmosphere. The Northern Lights appear as shimmering curtains of green, purple, and red light dancing across the night sky. Iceland's dark winter nights and lack of light pollution create ideal conditions for viewing this natural wonder. Section 8: Iceland's unique ecosystems, adapting to a volcanic landscape. Iceland's volcanic landscape supports a surprising diversity of life. From hardy lichens and mosses to Arctic foxes and reindeer, these organisms have adapted to thrive in this challenging environment. Volcanic eruptions can create new habitats and influence the distribution of plant and animal species. Geothermal areas provide warmth and nutrients, supporting unique ecosystems. Iceland's glaciers also play a crucial role in shaping the landscape and providing fresh water. The interaction between glaciers, volcanoes, and the ocean creates a dynamic and ever-changing environment. Section 9: Respecting nature's power. Lessons from Iceland. Iceland's fiery landscape serves as a powerful reminder of the immense power of nature. Volcanoes and earthquakes are awe-inspiring forces that can both create and destroy. By studying these natural phenomena, we gain a deeper understanding of our planet and our place within it. Iceland's experience with harnessing geothermal energy and mitigating volcanic risks provides valuable lessons for other countries facing similar challenges. As we continue to explore and learn from Iceland's geological wonders, let us remember to respect the power of nature and strive to live in harmony with our planet.